Alright guys, finished both these radios. Brothers, I guess you could say. And these will be going up for sale on the on my website, um, www.pulsarcb.com. If you guys want to go visit, there's a for sale page, and these what some others are going to be going up on that page for sale. So I think I did a video on this one previously, but we'll go through both of them again. So this is a Cobra 29 LTD. So this one, I decided to put in one of the old school 5-tone Roger beeps. So you can see here it's on the switch, Roger beep. And this one also has talkback switch. So this radio is going to come with the mounting bracket, a static noise canceling mic, because the Cobra mics that I got came all smashed, so I had to bring those back. Power cables, and the knobs to mount to the bracket. So that's what both these are going to come with. Except the Uniden comes with the Uniden's noise canceling mic. But yeah, the chrome was too far gone on this one, so I had to use like a wrinkled texture finish for this. And then, as you can see, it's been wrapped in a carbon fiber vinyl wrap. Obviously not real carbon fiber, but came out really good, I think. Matched the meter. For some reason here it looks greener than the channel display, but it's actually in person it's pretty close. And yeah, so let's this is the Roger beep for this one. Like I said, it's an old school. I had two of them laying around, so I figured I'd put it in here. 5-tone old school Roger beep. I think they're pretty cool. I like Roger beeps as long as they're not too annoying. I like that one. And also, yeah, the talkback. So, radio check, 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 radio check, check, check. And then, so the Roger beep lets you know when it's turned on and off. So you turn it off, you turn it on, it's going to beep. Okay. Talk back off. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Roger beep off. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Talk back on. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Roger beep on. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Alright, that's that one. And then this one, it's brother. So this is the 78 LTW. So it's got the weather band installed on this one. Meters matched to the rest of the lights. Talkback switch, on and off, and of course echo is there, so we can go through this one as well. Talkback is on, echo's on. Radio check, check, check. Radio check, check, check. Alright, talkback off. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Alright, and then adjust the on and off for the echoes here. Radio check, radio check, radio check. So echo's working good. Talkback's working good. So it's a 100 ohm resistor in there, 1 watt resistor. So yeah, works good. Talkback is I feel like it's just enough to hear what you need to hear, and then you want to leave it on, I guess you can leave it on, but once you set the echo, you turn that off, and you're good to go. So the chrome on this one was in a little bit better shape, so I was able to get away with using an epoxy finish on this one. Again, same deal, carbon fiber wrap, and Yeah, so these will be good mobile units, considering they're coming with both noise canceling mics. Again, these are tailored to the trucker. Um, so yeah, um, not just a trucker, obviously. Anybody who really wants a couple of good radios or one good radio, whatever. But yeah, here you have it. These will be up for sale soon. Hope you guys enjoyed them. These are actually the first two radios that I've actually ever, um, redid and sold. Kind of like did a refurb or whatever. So that's why they labeled one and two. So yeah, up until today, I've only done repairs. I've never actually done like a flip, I guess you could say. So these are my first two. So yeah, these will be up on the website www.pulsarcb.com, and there'll be a for sale tab you guys can click on, as well as other information on what I do. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, any comments, leave them, please. Thank you.